Um, hey guys, Dean Irvin here, and today I haven't done a commentary in a while, so it still feels kind of awkward. But what I want to talk about is dodging and kind of like avoiding damage as a scout, most commonly with a force of nature. I should have probably showed my loadout, so I'll do that now. Okay. So my loadout is the Force Nature, which is you can get it by doing an achievement, or you can just find it. I think I had to, but I used the other one to make some scrap metal. Um, so then Pretty Boy's Pocket Pistol and Candy Cane. So I think I already talked about why I like using this because I use it in most of my videos. So Candy Cane on kill, it drops a small health pack, which is a great way of avoiding death, especially if there aren't any on the map. Health packs, that is. Pretty Boy's Pocket Pistol on a map like this, where there's like a lot of high places, the extra health and the no fall damage is really good. I end up Force Nature because of the pretty high damage and the kind of like the mobility it grants. Like you saw in the beginning of the video, I did like a jump like this. If that I didn't make it really. And this jump, like I think you might be able to make it normally by just double jumping. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll just I'll open up like a new server and I'll show the jumps separately. But what I want to talk about is how you can dodge using the Force of Nature. Okay, you can get up there normally. That's good to know. Okay. So the thing you can usually do. Oh. Am I also being dominated? Okay. It's just earlier I was doing this really stupid thing of here you'll see it now. Demo Man with the sticky launcher. Sword. It's a sword, nothing else. And so I'll just try to jump and then hit people. I got 0 kills like that. I honestly did not expect that to happen. Okay, so let's get him. I don't know why, but for some reason in spawn it still kills you. It doesn't just change it. Okay, never mind. So with Scout you can dodge in a lot of ways. Since he has his double jump, so like I jump in one direction then redirect into another one. So like you jump left and jump right, which it's a really good tactic to use against heavies because they can't like change their aim really quickly unless their sensitivity is really high. And yeah, also another thing I like doing is like if I used up my double jump, you can always use your Force Nature. It's kind of hard to control where you're gonna go, but it's a pretty good way to like surprise your opponents. Okay, so I didn't need to do that, but in case there was a sniper, it's safer to like be unpredictable. What? Well, that lagged a bit. I was trying to like knock him off, which is another reason why I love the Force Nature. Because you don't necessarily need to do enough damage to kill someone, you can just like knock them off. So as you saw there, I was really close up. So I actually knocked him away before he could do any damage to me. Okay. Um, Also, the force of nature, like if you shoot it this way, it'll propel you left. So for example, you see it shot me back, not just up. I mean, this is, you can go just up. So let me just try to jump. So I shot it like that, and it pushed me back quite a distance. So this is pretty much why I use the force of nature that much. Yeah. The candy cane was really useful. And I said this in one of my other videos, but like, you take extra fire damage from from the Pretty Boy's pocket pistol, but that doesn't matter because you have the health from the candy cane. So like once you kill the pyro, you pick it up and you're done. But the bad side is like if a pyro, especially a backburner pyro, ambushes you, you're just gonna die instantly. Like that's not even like exaggerating. You're just gonna die. Yeah. A lot of times, if you just shot straight down, you would not be able to make that jump, like from the very top to the side to the pillar thing. Yeah. Yeah, you see, because I shot it slightly. Oh, and sentry gun. I don't usually like servers where sentry guns are called. They're like, I like it when a server limits the amount of types, like the type of class. Like the and yeah, it's, when oh my god, words, can you come out? So yeah, when they limit like the amount of one class you can have. How did I not hit him not once? Oh shit. Yeah. So as you saw there, I actually made it that way because I shot sideways. This time didn't make it because I jumped early, I think. You can do this with the atomizer, which is also a pretty good item. So you see, I didn't have to kill him, I just knocked him off. So it's really useful in like high tower and also payload, not high tower, what do you... Okay. I'm gonna see if I can jump up here. I probably can, but... Oh shit. Sentry guns. It's the same sentry. Yeah. So... I'll try to go like behind their lines and try to 1v1 someone, I guess. I was trying to get onto an MG server, but... it takes like 20 million years. Yeah. You know, I think I'll switch out the candy cane for the... Oh, I won't. Because a dead fly just fell into my room. Okay. So I won't be doing that because there are no health packs on this map that I'm aware of. So the candy cane is my only way of sustaining myself, and that was the most retarded thing I've ever done. Okay. So I think later. Right now I'm just gonna try to fight people. I'm getting killed by Gibbous. By Gibbous Demo Man. Before I started like playing Scout this much, like a lot, I would main Demo Man. Because Demo Man, like he's really good. But I don't know why, but for some reason, I kind of forgot how to play him properly. There's so many sentry guns, I think I might switch to spy. I missed him. Oh, that's crit. Oh. I really feel bad for him because I really hate it when that random crit just kills me. He probably had like 20 health, so I could have just done a few shots, but random crits are really nice. I think I just got an invite in League of the Legends, which I play, just so you know. I'm not very good, that's why it's not on my channel. That was pretty sad from my side. For some reason, I thought you'd just go straight and that the wall wouldn't do anything. Yeah. So you see, if you're running away, this is a really pretty unpredictable way to escape. Yeah, that was way too early. Yeah. People won't usually think like that because not a lot of people, for some reason, and yeah. If I killed him, like, that would be really good for me, because of course I would have gotten the health. But I couldn't. I don't know if this actually is a faster way to get around. Oh, I wanna see. Because I often play on this map. Yeah, I think it might be a bit faster. So I'm always trying to find like the best way to, you know, to like the little secret jumps and all of that. I don't know why I do this, but I always... oh my god. This guy. It's always this guy with the gibbous and the seal mask. I'm pretty sure the seal mask gives you like 21 million attack damage. Yep, I see you, faggot. I'm done with him. I'll play for a bit more, then I'll cut away, maybe see what the message was. So you see, I just knocked him off and he died. Which I was pretty sure he was gonna charge me. Well, sorry for not talking over there, but my butt cheeks were clenched. In my opinion, that was a pretty nice escape. Definitely could have done it better. I think I would have been able to kill the demo man if I landed a couple more shots. But like I said in my previous video, you always want to give the enemy something to believe. Like, I don't think he knew I was gonna like jump over. Health. I know. Maybe he just wasn't like he was just a new player. Everything went better than expected. When Force of Nature crits, it's pretty devastating because I've seen it crit up to like 150. If you hit all your pellets, I think that'll be like, yeah, 150 around. So for some reason, I feel like with Scout, the crits are far more often. I always have to get a candy cane kill in the game. It's funny how on on CP Orange, no one actually tries to play the objective. Like, I mean, you can just see like the time. Why am I missing so much? Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm second already. I was pretty sure like last time I looked I was like last. That's another reason why I like taking the Pretty Boy's pocket pistol. Because if someone knocks you off, you're not gonna die unless it's like on high tower. Like, you know, off the edge over there. Yes. On the Force of Nature, sometimes I just, even if I don't have to, I'll just practice to jump. Yeah. So you probably thought I was gonna wait for him because with the Force of Nature, that's usually what you're gonna do. But the Scout, he has speed and the Heavy does not, so I was just able to quickly turn around him. So I could get 2 shots right into his back. I really don't think that spy is dead. Well, he could be, so doesn't really matter. Same dead ammo. So I'm actually really enjoying myself this game. I haven't played in a while. I was mostly playing League, and as you can hear, that was another notification. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up when I get one more kill. Oh no, heavy, and I died. So, oh, that new damage record. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.